Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to sew a simple pencil pouch. The material required are on the right edge of your screen. You can pause at this stage and read them. Without further ado, let's learn how to make a pouch. First step in making the pouch is to attach the tabs to the zipper. So cut tabs to desired length, which is the length of the zipper from ends to the metal ring that you see near the edges, plus 0.75 inch. Or you can do it as you see in the video physically by placing the cloth over the zipper to determine the size. And the height of the cloth would be 2 inches standard. Sew them onto the zipper as you see in the video. Once you sew the zippers, cut out the excess cloth on either ends of the zipper. So now the tabs on the zippers are attached and we can go for the next step, which is attaching the zipper to the pouch. So at this stage you attach the interfacing to the cloth and then keep the cloth facing right side towards you, the zipper wrong side facing towards you, and the lining cloth wrong side facing towards you, and align as you see, leaving 0.25 seam allowances on either side of the zipper. You can see that on the screen. There's a diagram to help you how to place them. If you want, you can also use a pearl head pin to keep them on place. Use zipper foot for this step. It gives a neat finish and you will not run over the zip accidentally. So once you start sewing them, there will be a place where the zipper head will hinder in stitching. So move the zipper up and then continue to sewing the edges. My zipper head was little bigger, so I had to take the foot out and then put them back. So this step is now done. Follow the same process for the other end. Before that, crease out the edges. As you see, crease them very tightly. This will come handy when you do the top stitch. Also, if there is any excess interface, you can cut them out. So we are following the same process for the other side. Now we are almost done. Take out the purse and place it as you see, one outer cloth with one lining on the side, and crease them nicely. If you want, you can even iron and give a top stitch on either sides of the zipper. Once the top stitch is done, cut the excess thread, open the zipper and proceed. We are going to place the right sides of the outer cloth together and the lining material together. So when you align, make sure both the cloths are in straight line. You can use a pearl pin to keep them in place. Leave a seam allowance of 0.25 inches and sew them along the edges. Do not sew the yellow lines on the lining piece as you see in the diagram. And now pull out the right side of the pouch through the unstitched part in the lining. You can use a pencil or chopstick to straighten the edges after you pull them out. Once you pull out the fabric, there will be a portion of your lining that is unstitched. So you can fold the piece as you see, and then you can hand sew them or you can sew it on the machine. Cut out any extra piece of thread that you find and try the zipper out once. Now your pouch is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy making this project.